Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are focusing on two critical aspects of our quality management system, internal audits and management review, both vital components of our ISO 17025 compliance efforts. Internal audits. Internal audits are systematic, independent assessments of our laboratory's activities to ensure compliance with ISO 17025 requirements and our own established procedures. Audits help identify areas for improvement, verify the effectiveness of our quality management system, and ensure ongoing compliance. Key elements of internal audits include planning, conducting audits, reporting findings, and taking corrective actions. Management review. Management review involves a thorough examination of our quality management system by top management to ensure its continuing suitability, advocacy, effectiveness, and alignment with strategic goals. It provides a platform for assessing the overall performance of the laboratory, reviewing audit findings, addressing non-conformities, and identifying opportunities for improvement. Management review meetings should be held at planned intervals with documented agendas, attendance, minutes, and actions. Internal audit process. An internal audit process begins with the development of a comprehensive audit plan based on the requirements of ISO 17025 and our quality objectives. Auditors conduct audits according to the plan, documenting findings including non-conformities and opportunities for improvement. Following audits, we initiate corrective actions to address identified non-conformities and prevent their recurrence, ensuring continual improvement. Management review meetings. Management review meetings bring together top management to assess the laboratory's performance, review audit results, and make decisions to improve effectiveness. Topics discussed include quality policy and objectives, resource allocation, customer feedback, internal and external audit results, and actions for improvement. Management review outputs, including decisions and actions, should be documented and communicated to relevant personnel. Continuous improvement. Internal audits and management review are integral to our commitment to continual improvement. By systematically evaluating our processes, identifying areas for enhancement, and implementing corrective actions, we ensure the ongoing effectiveness and efficiency of our quality management system. In conclusion, internal audit and management review are essential tools for maintaining the integrity, reliability, and effectiveness of our laboratory operations in accordance with ISO 17025 standards. Let's remain dedicated to conducting thorough audits, holding productive management review meetings, and driving continual improvement throughout our organization. Thank you for your attention and commitment to quality excellence. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleague. Thank you.